Did you know that squirrels are nature's forgetful gardeners? These little critters store nuts for winter, but they often forget where they buried them. This forgetfulness leads to the growth of new trees, as the forgotten nuts sprout into saplings. In fact, squirrels are responsible for planting thousands of trees each year. Their quirky habit of misplacing their food stash is a key factor in forest regeneration. So next time you see a squirrel scurrying around, remember, they're not just hoarding food, they're inadvertently planting the future forest. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fun facts.